Hello. Okay, this week in my mini planner, Recollections, I am using it's a coffee kit by 3 Tiny Bows. I really like her kits, and I love coffee, so definitely gonna go with this theme. I do PR for 3 Tiny Bows. The code is TTBVANNESSA, and it'll be listed down below, and that saves you 20% off your order. And then I will use some stickers from the Polka Dot Planner. I PR for her also. The code is Vanessa20, and that saves you 20%. So I'm going to use her coffee and plan word stickers. As you can see, I'm running out. I'm going to have to order me some more. I've got some coffee cup stickers from her also. Love these, and I will use those. And then I really like from her Bubble Hearts kit, I'm going to use the date numbers, and then I like some of the icons. I thought they would go well with my social media planning this week. So we'll use those. And then from Clip It Crafts, I have my 2 new coffee clips. I thought they would work really great, and it's almost going to be like a monochromatic, but there's a little bit of pink in this, and that's why I picked these, because it's got the pinkish red in it too. So I think it'll all work out. So let's go ahead and get started. Put my days of the week down. I did go ahead and put my little tracker thing that I use. Just makes it easier. I need to figure out a good sticker for that, because it's never quite even. I try. Suppose I could count dots and stuff. And I'm pretty excited. PlannerCon just announced that they were coming to Cleveland. That's only a couple hours from me. So I want to definitely look into more information on that. I'd love to try to go in August. And then this Saturday is the COPA, Central Ohio Planners Association meetup. So I am all ready for that. I think it's got lots of stuff to do. I still need to stop and get my gift exchange stuff and pick up my donation for the YMCA. It's one thing I think about every meetup I've gone to, they always support a charity. So you take donations in, and I really like that. So, you know, you get to have a good day, and you get to help people out. So I think that's a good way to go. And then I love this little coffee one here. So I made sure it's one of my days of the week are at the bottom, because look at this little washi strip. Oh, if you can see it, it's not focusing. There it is. The little coffee cups. I think it's super cute. So I wanted to be able to use it right here. So I dropped my days of the week down to the bottom. Alright. So we'll grab our numbers. And I believe the week starts on the 5th, because I think today's the 4th, but yep. Sometimes, you know, I forget. And days tend to run together. You get up, you go to work, you come home, you cook supper, go to the grocery store, yeah. Yeah, the meetup is the 10th, so I'm excited for that. Alright, so there's the days of the week. And I like these trackers. So we'll put these right up top. And we'll use the Insta. Then she does have a little YouTube on here. So we'll use it. And that's how I keep track of my followers. fold this in half. I think I'll go ahead and put these on this side. Make sure I'm up where I should be. And I'm okay with it covering up a little bit of the number. Because I can still see enough to know what it is, but I also like the check boxes on here. They're little coffee cups. I thought that was super cute in this kit. So, pretty excited about that. Then there's the 1407. They're going to be doing a meetup in June. Tickets go on sale for it this month, so I will try my best to get a ticket. You know, I hope I get to go. And it's the same with the PlannerCon thing. I hope I get a ticket there, but if I don't, I don't. I'm going to try not to be too upset about it, because, you know, a lot of it just depends on how quick you buy your ticket. And they're big events, so no guarantee that I will get one. Alright, so I definitely like this girl here that says start with coffee. And I feel like that should definitely be the Monday attitude. Start with coffee there. Then here's coffee with little kitty cats. And here's a good morning, beautiful. That'll be nice for a Wednesday. I like the to-go coffee cups too. I don't usually stop and buy coffee during the week. I tend to make all mine at home. That way it's ready when I leave, and it just saves me time. And I like this wake up and smell the coffee. We use that for Friday. I just think this is a super cute kit. And then this with all the little fancy coffees. Then I like the morning coffee, because Sunday mornings I do tend to start my day by just drinking my coffee and relaxing for a little bit. And then there's one that'll go right down here in this corner. Alright, I did see a cute weekend banner. We'll put it right here. So let's open this up and see what we got so far. I do like to put stuff down, so I will use the week ahead here just as I mark my little things off. And as always, Sunday is my planner day, so we'll use the little planner, the pencil, and a couple clips. And we will mark that down with the plan words. I love the script stickers. And always start Monday off with coffee. I thought there was a coffee cup. I like this one with a little heart on it. I think that is cute. Just for a little pop of color, I'll put one of the Starbucks cups here. And then I wanted to use all these little coffee bean stickers because they are just cute. I feel like it's raining coffee beans into my cup. But boy, they are tiny. Takes a little extra work to get them exactly where I want them. Guess I should have got my little, I have a tool that I use. And we'll put a couple little donuts right beside this coffee. Time changes Saturday too. It's actually Sunday morning, so I do want to put the time change in there. I'll use this little alarm clock so I do not forget the time change. That's kind of an important one. Smiley face mug, a little coffee pot. Do like the little bows. I like to make sure I got room to write, but I do love decorating. I just can't help it. I like it. Some of my favorite parts. Alright, I am going to use this little red car because I do have to drive to my meetup. And I like a beetle, even though I don't have one anymore. And I like the camera to mark my filming as I plan. Super cute little camera. I'll mark my happy mail when it comes in. And you know what? I'm going to use It's a Date and a plan sticker to mark my meetup. And some happy little balloons. And just so it stands out, I'm going to use just red ink right here and put Copa. There we go. And I will use my Starbucks sticker because I still have my gift card. So on my way to this meetup, I will finish up using my gift card that I won and go to Starbucks because I don't go a lot. So it is kind of a special occasion when I order coffee out because you know, to be able to go do all my planner stuff, you got to budget your money a little. So it's, would I rather make my coffee at home and be able to go to planner meetups? Yes. So usually when I get coffee out, it's when I'm heading to a meetup, and that's my one little expenditure. But for the most part, I make my coffee right at home, and that way I can go to all the different meetups, because I like to go and do. So that's how that works. So there is my spread and my mini this week. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!